Hi guys, I want to show how you can boost your internet speed. So please watch the video until the end. First of all, let's check my internet speed. Click on network setting. On the status tab, click change adapter. Find your Wi-Fi connection and you can see my internet speed, that is 24 megabit per second. So this is a poor signal. First of all, I want to say you can make this firewall with aluminum foil, and if you don't have this, you can use a Coca can. Be sure to follow all the steps in the order. Let's do the trick. Wow, you can see my internet speed is very faster than before. The reason of this boosting is that firewall reflects all the waves and sends it to my phone. Please like and subscribe the channel.